Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I'm in dire need of a haircut. I have no roundness going on in here. So I decided that I am going to try and do a dry cut on myself. I've cut my hair before, but not since I've had a perm. So my sister's cut my hair ever since I've had a perm. But this time I want to try and do it on myself and see how it turns out. I'm gonna start with the front sections. I'm gonna start with the bottom section, get my length how I want it, and then work up. I want my layers to be pretty short because I want the volume. So let's get into it. I also want some face framing, I believe. Do I want face framing? I think so. And let's begin. Not gonna cut much off the length because whatever. Proceeds to cut like 2 inches off. I did have this side was longer, this side is shorter, but I think I'm gonna just make them even now. It already looks so much better. Okay. Okay, what I did is I made a guideline of how short I want my curls or my layers. Now I'm going to take sections and pull them up towards the top. And find my guideline curl that I have, which is this. And then I'm going to cut the rest of the curls to be the same length. I'm not taking the bottom layer because I want to make sure I have my length and thickness. Let's put a little layers in the bangs. Hashtag I already cut my bangs because I can't wait. Also, I'm aware that I need a new perm. Okay, look at this side now compared to this side. This looks so much better. I love it so much. It's gonna look even better when I wash it and restyle it because now it's all been played with. Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark. Now let's do this side. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got your world upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay. Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got your world upside down. Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got your world upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay. Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got your world upside down. Well, let's try and do the back. Okay, I moved my setup so I have a mirror in front and then, a mirror behind me so I can see. I'm doing the same thing as I did in the front. First I'm going to do the length, and then I'm going to go back and do the layers. Wow, I need a perm. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing.
I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me, when you don't talk to me, yeah. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore. something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you.
In the back, I'm gonna pull my hair straight out 90 degrees from my scalp with the guide that I made to make the layers even more fuller.
Yeah, no, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore.
Okay, I did all the cutting. I'm gonna go wash and restyle my hair and blow dry it to see how it looks, make sure I got everything how I like, and I'll show you the final results. BRB. Okay, I just washed and styled my hair after cutting it, so I'm gonna let it dry to see if I need to cut anything else. The curls are looking good, they're looking fresh, they're looking healthier. My hair's a lot shorter. It feels so much nicer, but we'll see if I need any more alterations once it's dry. So I'll see you in about 1,000 hours. Okay, my hair is mostly dry. I'm gonna go through and see if I need to cut any more pieces off real quickly. I'm just gonna be using a hand mirror, and then there's a mirror on the wall this time. Why do I got an accent?
Something inside, something inside.
I want to show you how this side, the curls shrunk up more, so now this side's a little longer, so I'm going to have to cut a little bit off this side. So you never know. Like, if you cut your hair wet, if your curls are going to be even when they're dry. Even though I've cut my hair wet all the time. You just have to go back through, fix a few pieces if you do. I'm gonna check the back.
There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore.
This is how much more I ended up cutting off after washing and styling. I'm gonna finish styling, and I'll be right back to finish the to show you the finished hair cut. Look. Bye. Okay, I finished styling my hair, and I'm freaking out because I love my hair in curls so much. Ah! Oh yes. So cute, so cute, so cute, so cute. Yeah, 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 yay! I love it, I love it, I love it. The back looks okay, but you can see all my new growth. So ignore that, but this is what the back looks like. Can you see it? If I didn't have perm new growth and color new growth, my hair would be perfection. You can't even tell I have new growth in the front because of how I styled it. So yeah, this is the final result of cutting my curls by myself. I think it turned out so good. I love it so much. This time I took my front section right here and dim brushed it forward. So then all my curls are in the front and side, and I don't really have a part, and I love it. Yay, 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 yay. Love it, love it, love it. Yes. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching me transform my curls. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Bye, 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 bye. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm.